Check out Empire's extendable levels, the 600 to 1000mm and the 1200 to 1950mm. Let's look at the features and benefits of these levels. As the name suggests, these levels are extendable. The 600mm level can extend up to 1 meter, meaning it can replace up to 3 levels. The 1200mm level can extend up to 1950mm, replacing up to 5 levels. The robust, adjustable dovetail slide channel maintains the level's accuracy, regardless of how far it's extended. Empire's True Blue acrylic vials provide high visibility in all lighting conditions. The engineered mark and scribe edge provides accurate markings for taking measurements. Tool-free removable end caps help protect the level from worksite drops and bumps, while also allowing improved access to corners and cavities. The rear plumb vial is easy to view on both sides. Empire's extendable levels are available at Bunnings. For more details on these extendable levels, search Empire Tools.